I think I've ever seen. It is so loud. I don't think there's any rain. There's nothing but hail. Let me try to get one of these stones here. That's how big they are. I mean, this one's starting to melt in my hand, but it's at least the size of a quarter. Well, wide. I mean, it's pretty thick too. But yeah, this is, my goodness. And it just won't stop. I just got home. Luckily, I have a garage. I haven't been able to check the damage of my house. I mean, haven't been able to check the damage of my car just yet. I don't know if you can even hear me on this thing. I don't know. The hail is making huge splashes in that gutter there. Had a little bit of a hailstorm in Moundsville, but nothing, and I was worried for that, but when I came through town, it started. Luckily, I was only about less than a mile away from home when it started, but it sounded like people just like fistfuls of coins hitting my car. It was absolutely unbelievable. It's the most insane thing I think I've ever seen. And just to think I was driving in this just a little bit ago. Luckily, I'm on a protected foot, but some of the hail is still blowing. I hope those people can get home in a garage, something. Oh man. This is absolutely unbelievable. I mean, I've seen hailstorms last maybe about a minute or so. I mean, with this size hail, but I mean, it just won't stop. I mean, it's like a snowstorm. I think the hail itself is... Oh my goodness. Oh. Now I have neighbors coming out to see what is going on. It just keeps coming. I really hope my gutter doesn't come. Anyway, it's still, I mean, there's a little bit more rain coming down now, but it's still mostly hail, and I've been filming for almost 6 minutes now, and it started a good I'd say 2-3 minutes before I started filming, because I was on my way home. I mean, it was hailing some, but it really started coming down just a couple minutes before I got home, and I was probably speeding a little bit through town, trying to get home, get my car in my garage so it wouldn't take that much time. I mean, my car is less than a year old. I do not want. I mean, didn't have a dent on. Well, it didn't have a dent on it before this, at least. I'm hoping that it still doesn't have any dents on it, but I doubt it. I have a feeling I'm going to have to call my insurance agent to find out about hail damage, because this is unreal, absolutely unreal. Look over here. I mean, it looks like snow is covering the ground. That is not snow. That is pretty much quarter-sized hail. I mean, that guy's roof is just getting, pelted, and now it's starting to get really windy. The hail is picking up, and it is really starting to blow on my sword.